come along with me to mow the property here at the family cabin. Should be a lot of fun. We're bringing out the big guns today. I've got the Toro Time Cutter Max, 54 inch. Gonna let it rip around the property here. We're gonna do the parking area and the main yard. This has not likely been mowed this year, and the grass is pretty tall. I don't have any problem coming up here, up in the mountains to mow. It's a beautiful place and we have a lot of fun here, and it just needs a little bit of TLC. So we'll start with a mow, have some fun, go from there. Well, needless to say, the 1/3 rule is not even in the equation today. But look at the progress we're making. We've got the entire back of the field pretty well done. And then we've got the main yard done. And so all that's really left is the far end down this way. And I'll take you down there, and then behind the cabin. Got to do that too. And then we should be all done. I have to go over this 2 or 3 times to keep it clean, especially side discharging. So there's a lot of clippings that are on the grass and a lot to clean up. So what I do is I'll go over it twice, and then I will start in the middle and just work my way out and blow all the clippings to the edges of the yard. And that's been working out really nicely. Things have been staying really clean. So time for a water break and then finish up. I think we're done. That was a lot of mowing. This thing is an absolute workhorse. Just met the challenge, no problem. Took a couple passes, but it cleans up really nice. As you can see behind me and all around the cabin, it just looks fresh, clean, much better than when we walked up here. So things are kind of back to where they should be now, and we'll get this loaded up, head on home, enjoy the rest of the day, and take an allergy pill. Whew, a lot of stuff flying around. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.